Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can add an Instagram account on your TikTok account, since most people ends up not knowing how to add an Instagram on their TikTok, since what they all do is to add an Instagram link but not knowing how to add an Instagram account. It's simple, simply start by opening TikTok. Then after having it open, simply go on the profile menu. For those who didn't know, when your Instagram account has been added to your account, your Instagram account simply adds up here. So to add it, simply click on Edit Profile. Then after having it opened, simply slide down on this button called Add an Instagram Account. Then after doing that, you can see that here is the login button, so simply log in. So now as you can see, Instagram wants to know if you want to allow your Instagram on TikTok, so simply click on allow and give it a permission. And now as you can see, it's been added, so simply click on it. And as you can see, suddenly your Instagram account opened. So thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.